Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Okay, so if you're experiencing too much ads on your phone, your Android device, maybe you're trying to browse, maybe you're just scrolling down your Chrome, or maybe you're in any app or the other, but you keep experiencing too much advertisement popping up and down in your phone, and that could be very, very annoying, and can also be a bit of distraction to you. So if that's the reason you clicked this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to disable those ads. I'm going to show you the secret setting that you can do in your phone that will be able to make those ads to stop appearing in your phone. Alright, so before we get started, I would like you to like this video and subscribe. Alright, so let's get to the first part of this video. Now the first thing we are going to do here is we are going to head down to our setting over here. Just head down to your phone setting. Now you see more connections over here. Just click on more connections. Now in these more connections, you see private DNS. Now this private DNS here, you click it. This private DNS is going to help to control the ads that always popped up in your phone whenever you are browsing. So now, as you can see here, it's set on automatic, so you are going to put it on private DNS provider host name. You are going to type this very thing here now. See what I typed here: dns.adguard.com. Okay, make sure this is the exact thing that you are going to type in this place. So after typing it, you just tap on the save button here. Now as you can see, it's now automatically saved. Make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi, or maybe you are using your mobile data and there's internet in it, so that it will be able to save. Okay, now this setting alone cannot be able to block all the ads on your phone. There will still be some stubborn ads that might be popping up. So that's why we are still going to head over to Chrome to do the remaining setting there too. So just head over to Chrome. Okay, now you just click on this. Now go to settings. Okay, now scroll down to, you see this site settings. Click on it. Now you're in the settings that usually brings ads whenever you are browsing, like this pop-up ads direct. Just click on it. Now mine is already disabled. If yours might be like this. So if yours is allowed, you have to click on it. You have to unallow it, so that to all these pop-up ads that usually redirect your site no longer be doing that. Now you can also come down to add. Now make sure you also unallowed it. If it's allowed like this, you click it so that to be able to block ads on site. Okay, now I think that's it for here. Okay, notification, you have to come over to notification, tap on it. Now you see this, it said sites can ask to send notification. Disable it. Now whenever you are browsing, you won't see those pop-up message that usually ask you to, if they want to send notifications for you. So you have to block it. Okay, that is it for here. Now after this also, you have to head over back to your settings. Another setting we are going to do here is going to be on our Google. Now just scroll down to Google. You can see, locate Google on our phone. Now after clicking on this, you click all services. Now you scroll down, you see ads. Tap on it. Now all these settings are very very important, because once you finally do this, you see that you no longer be having all those interruptive ads whenever you are browsing. So first, if you are here now and you find out that this thing here is enabled, if I find out that this enable debug login for ads, you must disable it. Okay, get that. Now you see reset advertising ID. Now you have to reset your advertising ID. To tap on it, tap confirm, and it will automatically reset. Now delete advertising ID. You also tap on it, delete all advertising ID. Now this has automatically reset your phone to the way let's say you just bought this phone new. Now all those advertising those ads that usually popped up on your phone that must have stored on your phone will automatically be deleted. So after doing this, just head over to your home. Now you have to restart your phone. You have to restart your phone so that it can be able to work effectively. Just gonna restart mine here. That is it. I just restart my phone now, and after this, I'm sure once you do this the exact way that I show you now, you see that you no longer be having all those annoying ads popping up on your browsers. Okay, if this video was really helpful, please make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video to your friends and colleagues. Alright, see you next on my next video.